Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook password. It's really simple and easy. First of all, you just have to open your Facebook application and then you have to tap on this menu in the top right corner. This will open up the Facebook menu and all you need to do is just scroll down and click on this settings and privacy, then click on this settings, and once you are here you can see this first option account center. Just tap on that and now scroll down a little bit and you can see this option account settings, and under this password and security just tap on this password and security, and now you can see this first option change password. You can just tap on this change password and now select your profile, and now you have to enter your old password first, then new password, and then you have to retype your new password, and then simply tap on this change password in the bottom, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.